Park for a little test and tune with white trash.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, so that was a 14.2 at 102 miles an hour. Reaction time was terrible. It was a second.
Well, I was setting the speed.
60 foot, 2.49.
Hey, I saw. Alright, so I ran a 14.4. But okay, I was spinning. Okay, Mustang's fast. I was spinning at the takeoff. Alright, but this time I ain't gonna spin. And my 6 foot was 2.5. I know it could be better, and it will be better because I won't spin next time.
All right, let's go try it out.
Yeah,
let's go back up there. What'd you say? I ran a 14.3.
14.3. I ran a 14.3 somehow, but I spun worse.
I won't spin next time.
That time.
I know I spun pretty bad too.
Yeah, and but my 60 foot was slower somehow, but I ran a point second faster. That makes any sense.
My reaction time was a 0.8, and my 60 foot was a 2.9. It was pretty bad. And then I ran a 14.3 at 106 miles an hour.
I started talking to that dude. What y'all talking about?
Huh?
What y'all talking about?
That dude?
Yeah.
I asked him what he done to his car.
Oh, did you beat him?
No, I was on his tail though.
Well, yeah, well, you spun anyway. So.
Yeah, I spun bad, and then I was gaining him, but I couldn't catch him. I believe he's auto. It's not he was auto.
Sounds like. Hey, that Challenger I raced whenever we got down there at the end, there was white smoke coming from under his hood. So I don't know what the heck happened to him.
But yeah, race. I talked to him before. He said the only thing he did was exhaust. And then we got down there. I told him what I did to mine. I said I think I need some new tires.
I feel like I'm slipping the clutch out a little too fast. Cause I was just sitting there spinning.
Well, I'm gonna lower the two-step on mine. See if that helps. Wayne, next time just pull it beside me.
Alright. Yeah. I was actually about to go back up there. I need to redeem myself, bro. I keep spinning.
Alright. I'm about to go back up there too then.
Unless you want to go ahead and fix two-step.
Oh yeah, I need to fix that too.
I just chilling.
Josh, did you like how I was spinning?
Oh, no, I couldn't see from where I was.
Alright guys, we are back up here in the staging lanes. Me and my cousin are going to race. Last time my brother he didn't record the last race, so see if we're gonna record this one. Try to record this one this time. See if we can do better. I lowered the two-step too. See if that'll help. So I'll see y'all in a minute. So I ran a 13.8 at 106 miles an hour. Reaction time 0.6 and 6 foot was a 2.4. That's pretty good. That's my best mile power right there. That was close to my best for my quarter. And then Wayne, he ran 14.7 at 100 miles an hour.
I missed second.
Missed second?
Yeah.
Wayne missed second. Wayne coming with excuses. Wayne coming up with excuses.
Bro. I didn't push all the way in. You know, that's driver area right there. traction control. That was all. I didn't push it all the way in. Oh crap! I went and put it in again. You know.
What? So I believe I'm done for the day. Yeah, I believe I'm done for the day.
But I'm gonna go again.
Did you tell what's wrong? Where do I start? Did you already explain what happened? No. Okay. That last pass you can see probably before this or after this. He did his burnout and it hit the red limit. And the engine sounded like his back cut off. When he got back on the return road, it cut off. So he pulled around here and it sounded like it was running a little rough. And now it's just working. We let it cool off and it's running fine now. Yeah, I believe it just got too hot. We just got too hot in that burnout. I forgot the laptop. Laptop. Couldn't see any data. The only thing we're going off of is regular instruments and the air to fuel ratio. Everything seems normal now. She's alright now. Probably just hot. Yeah. She was running low in RPMs.
Almost overdid it.
But you got that launch down now. You got the launch down. See how much more it can take. But I think that's it for tonight. I think they're going to have the race as soon. Yeah, they're going to have a race now. Yeah, I believe that's it. For the night. We got the launch down. Set it to 2,200 RPMs. Beast. Blurry. Yeah, Alright guys, it's the next morning. We are back from the track. It was a long night. Got home around 1 o'clock. I only got to make 3 test passes, and after that last pass I didn't want to hurt the car more, so we tried to figure out what was wrong with it. I was going to take my laptop to data log it and try to change the tune up, but I forgot my laptop. Kind of figured my launch out, so that's good. So that'll do it for today. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good day.
We make the streams louder.